WUSA 9 Weather Watch Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
We've got a weather watch alert today for showers and storms, and some of these storms could bring some heavy rain, which could lead to flooding in a few neighborhoods. So here's how the day is going to break down. Showers off and on. After 2 o'clock, you're more likely to run into one of those storms that will produce the heavy rain. Then we will see more widespread showers and storms out there today in the evening. Again, some neighborhoods could experience some flooding. Heading out to the Commanders game, it will not be a complete washout, but do expect those passing showers more often than not. 78 by 1 o'clock, upper 70s by 2 p.m. at FedEx Field, 79 by 3 p.m. and right there in the upper 70s by 4 o'clock. Notice that is an hour where we're most likely to pick up on some of the heavier showers and storms. This is our specialized FedEx Field forecast. You can see that we will see around the area some cloudy skies by noon today, and then passing showers by 1:30 in the afternoon. We just zoomed in here so you can see that there will be some light showers off and on by 1:30, same at 2:30 in the afternoon. And then by 3 o'clock, you notice how we start to pick up on more pockets of moderate heavy rain around FedEx, around Bowie, and then also by 4:30 p.m. And that would be a bigger time for concern of the heavier showers and storms as people are coming out of FedEx Field and making their way back home or to other activities. For the afternoon around the rest of the region, look for temperatures 80 to 85 degrees, and we are under the slight risk for excessive rain, meaning we could see enough rain to trigger some of that flooding. We've got a lot of moisture in place and then a stationary front that is just lingering. That's more than enough to get some lift to get those showers and storms going throughout the afternoon and evening. So around the region, we can see off and on showers for the first half of the day. This is at 11:30. You may get a break there, and then by 1 o'clock you could see those showers returning. Same at about 3:30, except at this point we have more showers and storms pushing into the area. Now they will still be scattered. So in some spots you may not necessarily get one of those heavier showers and storms, but the possibility is there anywhere along the region. So we want everybody to have that heads up for your outdoor plans and Sunday activities. 5:30 today, same here. We're looking at more numerous showers and storms pushing in. And by 7:30, we can see them scattered out about the area. This is going to continue throughout Sunday night. So how is your Monday looking? For the Monday morning commute, it's looking dry right now with temperatures into the 60s and 70s for the start. And then by the afternoon, we'll be into the 80s. 4:30 p.m. Monday is when we could see some scattered showers and storms. So not as much shower activity on Monday than what we will see today. As far as flood watches, we do have one. This is going to be west of D.C. We could see that spread into other areas. So our team will be monitoring that. And the tropics continue to heat up. We've got Margot over here, and then we also have Hurricane Lee right here. Hurricane Lee has been producing winds of over 100 miles per hour and gusts up to 125 miles per hour. Here is the track of Lee, a Category 2 storm now, will later become a Category 4 storm by tomorrow. And then as it makes its curve in the Atlantic, it will weaken to a Category 2 and then eventually a Category 1 by next Friday. Here is a track of it across the ocean. You can see it moving up closer to Bermuda between Wednesday and Thursday. The center of this storm should pass right outside of Bermuda, but the outer rain bands will likely still impact that area. Part of what is keeping this away from the East Coast is going to be this area of high pressure that'll be coming into the region following a front. And with that in mind, we could still see some big ocean swells. That's going to be the big impact along with rip currents. Those winds could be really gusty around the oceans as a result of Lee in the Atlantic. Now it's moving up to the north. One of the trends that I've noticed is to keep the center of the storm even further east away from Boston and Nantucket. They may still experience some rain and gusty winds, and then this is likely going to be making a landfall in the Canada area by next Thursday, Friday. 7-day forecast. We'll keep 80s in the forecast for our Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday, still around 80 with a few showers, but boy, do things look great for us by the end of the week. Thursday, 75, 77 Friday, 79 Saturday. We've got a mix of sun and clouds on all of those days.